In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bulk email deals in Freshsales. This is a useful workflow when you need to reach multiple deal contacts at once, while still keeping your message consistent and organized. Start by going to the Deals module in Freshsales. Once you are there, make sure you are working in List View, not the Kanban board. List View is the one that looks like a table, and it is important because bulk actions like bulk email are easiest to access from the table layout. If you are currently seeing columns of cards, switch over to the table icon so you can see each deal as a row. Next, narrow down the exact deals you want to email. Use the filter icon to refine the list. For example, you might filter by a specific deal stage, such as negotiation, so you are only contacting deals that are at the same point in your pipeline. Taking a moment to filter carefully helps you avoid emailing the wrong group and keeps your outreach relevant. Once your list shows the right set of deals, select the records you want to include. If you only want certain deals, click the checkbox next to each deal name. If you want to select every deal that is currently visible in your filtered view, use the checkbox in the header row next to the name column. This is a fast way to select all matching deals at once, especially after you have applied a filter. After you make your selections, look for the bulk actions tray that appears along the bottom or top of the screen. From that tray, click the bulk email icon to open the email composer. In the composer, Freshsales automatically targets the primary contact associated with each selected deal. This means your email goes to the main contact, tied to every deal you selected. To make the message feel personal, use placeholders, such as the contact first name placeholder, so each recipient sees their own details filled in automatically. If you want to save time and keep messaging consistent, you can also choose a pre-saved email template and then make small adjustments if needed. Before sending, review everything for accuracy, including the subject line, the body text, and the personalization placeholders. When you are ready, choose Send Now to deliver immediately, or schedule if you want the email to go out at a later time. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.